Logos can make or break your business. So today we're going to talk about the importance of logos and how you can get your logo for cheap. Welcome and hello, my name is Erica Roche and I'm here to help you grow your business by helping you understand your audience. So today we're going to be talking all about logos. So what is a logo? A logo is a symbol that represents your brand, your business, or you as a person. And people tend to underestimate the importance of logos. Logos are extremely important because they're a form of communication. Yes, logos can speak in a way. Logos are the way that you interact and you talk to your customers without actually using words. One of the most important investments you can make when starting out is to put some money on a logo. That comes out of your marketing expense budget, which I hope if you're starting a new business that you've set some money aside for your different marketing expenses and you pull some money out of that to brand correctly and you put some money into your logo creation. So how do we use our logos? We use our logos to connect with our audience. We use our logos to talk to our audience because like we said before, logos are a form of communication. Logos are used to grab your audience attention. Like, oh, got it. No. Your logo is typically the first impression that your audience has of you. Logos create brand identity. So this is how you start pulling in brand recognition and things by having a bomb logo. And your logo should leave a lasting impression on your audience. What do I mean by that? Your logo could make you famous. Your logo is supposed to be memorable. So an example of that would be, let's take McDonald's. When you think of McDonald's, what do you first think of? The golden arches, right? Of course. The golden arches sets as a logo for McDonald's that is easy to recognize, but also very memorable. Now let's take Nike. What do you remember? The Nike swoosh. Easy enough. Your logo is what sets you apart from your competition. So if you're riding down the highway, there's 50 burger restaurants. If you see those golden arches in the air, you know that you can pull over at that exit and get you a good burger and fries from McDonald's. Well, I guess it's subjective if it's good or not, but I like McDonald's. So what I want you to do is hit the thumbs up button if you can recognize a brand by just looking at its logo. And I want you to comment down below what logo that is. So if that's McDonald's golden arches, or maybe you can say, I see Wendy with those two red pigtails. Comment down below and let me know, and make sure you hit the thumbs up button. Your logo should be three things: simple, easy to view at different sizes, and flexible. What do I mean by flexible? I mean that your logo should be able to be used in several different settings. So whether that's a formal settings for like legal documents or things like that, or a casual setting, which is like sending out an email or conversing with clients. You want your logo to be able to be used in different types of marketing aspects. So as well as billboards and online marketing campaigns, you just want to be able to have your logo everywhere and not having to change too much so that you don't lose that brand recognition. So we talked about the importance of logos, and you know that you need a bomb one. So how do you find one, right? So the most expensive option, but a great option to have if you don't have time to create a logo or you don't have that creative eye, is to hire a graphic designer. This is going to cost from about $100 to $200 to get a graphic designer to take your ideas and make the best logo for you. They can literally take whatever you want and turn your idea into the perfect logo for you. So you can say, I want a mermaid with long blue hair and a pink and green tail, and they should be able to make that for you and add your name on it and make your vision come to life. Not all of us startup bosses are able to spend that much on a graphic designer right away. So what you might want to do is check out freelancing websites like Fiverr, which have different graphic designers from all over the world that run little specials like $5 logos that can create you a simple but unique logo that'll work perfectly for your brand. Now, let's go the free route because some of y'all might be like me and trying to save as much money as possible with starting your business. So the free route you can go is creating the logo by yourself. If you have a creative gene or you think you can throw some things together and make a great logo that'll make a great impression, and make your own logo. I recommend using the free site Canva. However, there's several other sites that you can use, but Canva has a specific template that's a perfect size for a logo, and you can just add whatever on there and use the different fonts and colors that Canva has to offer and the different design templates that they have to help you get started. So do you have a logo? Comment down below and let me know where you got your logo from. Did you make it yourself? Did you use Fiverr or a different freelancing website? Or do you have a bomb dad that makes logos and we need to all hire him? Drop his Instagram. But logos are extremely important and they can definitely set your business apart. Your logo should utilize your brand colors. And if you don't have brand colors yet, then I want you to check out this video right here that's all about picking the perfect business colors and what they mean for you. So even if you do have them, do you know what they mean and what they represent? Because they might not be the best to represent your business. So check out this video right here to figure all that out. And also, if you've seen that, then check out this video over here because YouTube recommends it for you and thinks that you need to watch it today to grow your business today. All right, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you turn on your post notifications and you subscribe because I'm coming back real soon with some more free tips to help you grow your business today.